There's a certain allure that comes with dressing like old money. Think of women like Kennedy or Audrey Hepburn, timeless icons who never chased trends, but always looked effortlessly elegant. Their style was not just about wearing expensive clothes but choosing classic, well-made pieces that transcended seasons and time. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to channel that same sophistication, especially as we enter fall? Old money style is all about subtlety, quality, and confidence. It's about looking expensive without the flashy logos, and that's something anyone can achieve with the right approach. A great example of this mindset can be found in the book The Millionaire Next Door. It highlights how true wealth often lies in discretion, people who don't flaunt their riches but invest in timeless, durable things. I've always admired that philosophy. I remember a time when I tried to update my wardrobe with trendy fall pieces, but the next year they felt out of place. That's when I realized the power of investing in classic items that last. Dressing like old money doesn't mean spending extravagantly, it's about choosing quality over quantity. My name is Aisha, and today we'll explore how to dress like old money this fall. Be sure to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance for more tips on timeless style and elegance. 1. Classic tailoring. The foundation of the old money look is built on classic tailoring. Look at icons like Grace Kelly or Princess Diana. They were never seen in anything ill-fitted or overly trendy. Instead, they wore clothes that were perfectly tailored to their bodies, creating an aura of grace and refinement. For fall, this means investing in well-fitted blazers, wool trousers, and long, structured coats. Tailoring is everything when it comes to looking polished and put together. In fact, the famous saying, "The difference between a rich man and a poor man is how his suit fits," holds true in this context. When I first discovered the power of tailoring, it was a game changer. I had a coat I adored, but it always looked a bit sloppy on me. After getting it tailored, it felt like I was wearing something brand new, and suddenly my entire outfit looked elevated. Tailoring isn't just for suits. Anything from your blazers to your trousers can be transformed with the right adjustments. 2. Luxurious fabric. Another essential element of dressing like old money is the choice of fabrics. Think about the luxurious yet understated materials worn by style icons like Coco, Chanel, or Katharine Hepburn: wool, cashmere, silk, and tweed. These fabrics exude sophistication without trying too hard, and they last for years when cared for properly. In fall, layering these rich fabrics creates both comfort and elegance. I used to be someone who focused more on style than on fabric quality. I remember buying a trendy sweater that looked good initially, but after a few wears it lost its shape and charm. That's when I learned the importance of investing in fabrics like cashmere and wool. Not only do they feel better on your skin, but they also make even the simplest outfits look more expensive. These are the kind of fabrics that scream quiet luxury, a key element of old money fashion. What's your go-to fall fabric? Do you prefer the softness of cashmere or the structure of tweed? Share your thoughts below. 3. Color selection. Now let's talk about the color palette. This is where the old money style truly shines. Think of neutral tones like beige, cream, navy, and gray. In gray, the signature colors of women like Carolyn, Bessette-Kennedy, or Meghan Markle. These shades create a look that's timeless and versatile, allowing you to mix and match effortlessly throughout the season. The beauty of these colors lies in their simplicity. They're never loud but always elegant. I used to gravitate toward bold, trendy colors for fall, thinking that was the way to stand out. But once I switched to a more neutral palette, everything changed. Suddenly, my wardrobe felt more cohesive, and it became so much easier to put together outfits that felt sophisticated. Neutral tones don't just make you look chic, they make your entire wardrobe work better together. 4. Timeless outerwear. Fall is the perfect season to elevate your look with timeless outerwear, and nothing says old money quite like classic, high-quality coats. Think of trench coats, wool overcoats, and capes, pieces that never go out of style and instantly make any outfit look more polished. A look to fashion icons like Queen Elizabeth II or Jacqueline Kennedy, who mastered the art of wearing outerwear that commands attention without being flashy. A well-tailored coat can be the difference between a simple outfit and a statement look. I remember the first time I invested in a proper wool coat. It was a bit more expensive than I was used to spending, but it completely transformed my fall wardrobe. It was the kind of piece that looked good with anything, from jeans to dresses, and always made me feel confident and put together. It's funny how one high-quality piece can change how you feel about dressing for the season. What's your favorite fall outerwear piece? Are you a fan of classic trench coats, or do you prefer something more modern? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear how you style your fall looks. 5. Key fall accessories. Let's not forget about the accessories. They are the finishing touches that truly embody the old money aesthetic. Think of structured leather handbags, simple but elegant jewelry, and classic scarves. When you look at women like Princess Grace of Monaco or Kate Middleton, you'll notice their accessories are never over the top but always refined. A structured handbag in leather, for instance, adds an instant air of sophistication and polish to your look, while delicate pearls or gold jewelry keep the ensemble elegant yet understated. I once thought accessories had to be bold to make an impact, but I quickly learned that in the world of old money style, less is more. I swapped out my oversized statement bags for a classic structured handbag, and it changed the entire feel of my outfits. Suddenly, even the simplest looks appeared more expensive, and I felt more confident carrying something timeless rather than trendy. 6. Footwear choices. Footwear is another crucial element when dressing like old money this fall. It's all about choosing classic, well-made shoes that will stand the test of time. Look at icons like Jane Birkin or Charlotte Casiraghi, who were often seen in timeless loafers, riding boots, or elegant low-heeled shoes. These are the types of shoes that not only look sophisticated but are also practical for the season. For fall, think of high-quality leather boots or loafers in neutral tones shoes that you can wear year after year without worrying about them going out of style. I remember when I used to buy trendy boots every fall, only for them to feel outdated by the next season. Once I invested in a pair of leather riding boots though, I realized I didn't need anything else. They instantly elevated any outfit, whether I was wearing jeans or a dress, and they've lasted me years. It's true what they say, buy less, but choose better. What's your favorite fall shoe that makes you feel timeless and elegant? Are you more into classic loafers, or do you love a good pair of boots for the season? I'd love to hear about your favorite footwear choices in the comments. 7. Avoiding trends. One of the most important principles of dressing like old money is avoiding fleeting trends. If you think about the wardrobes of women like Coco Chanel or Queen Letizia of Spain, their style is marked by timelessness, not trendiness. The old money aesthetic is about investing in pieces that will last for years, not just one season. That's why you'll rarely see anyone with old money style chasing fast fashion or wearing the latest fad. They focus on quality over quantity and timeless over trendy. So, what's your favorite tip for achieving the old money look? Do you have a favorite fall wardrobe staple that you think embodies timeless elegance? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you incorporate these elements into your style. And don't forget to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance for more tips on how to dress with sophistication and class, not just this fall, but for every season to come.